Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Today 5 million hamster combo bet. Now see it. First card, first special. Then see this top 10 global ranking. Okay, top 10 global ranking. Top 10 global ranking. It's first card. Okay. Then second card, second card is second card is legal. Second card is legal option. Then see it anti money laundering, which 5 number anti-money laundering. Buy now anti-money laundering. Okay, it's 2 and 3 number card. 3 number card. Okay, please subscribe this channel and like and share this video. And at least 3 number card. License Indonesia. Okay, license Indonesia and take the prize 5 million token. Thank you for watching.